In this video, I will show you step by step on how to find hot selling products for your e-commerce business. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Fafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Ivyfish, or you want me to be your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how you can actually find hot selling products for your e-commerce business. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to source for hot selling products using Google Trend step by step tutorial. So let's begin. So the very first one you want to do is to make sure you open your browser and come to the search engine right here. Type in Google Trend. So the very first result you need to click is the first one right here. Click on Google Trends. So it takes you to a page like this. Okay, next thing you want to do is to make sure you navigate to Explore tab. All right, so under the Explore tab right here, what we want to do here is to make sure we have the suggested keyword of the product we want to search for. So let's, for instance, from the search engine right here, I type in under the add a search tab, let's say kiddies tab. Kiddies tab. Okay, let's press and search. All right, so you can see the search results for kiddies tab in the past 12 months, just like what you see right here. Now the geographical location here is Nigerian, and in the past 12 months the non-category and web search. So this just to tell you that as at the time of making this video, the people that are actually looking for where to buy kiddies tab in Nigerian are shown in the graph right here. So let's quickly study the graph, then we have more information as far as the kiddies tab keyword is concerned. So now from the 2022 right here, you can see the graph drastically rise up, which means that between the times of January 8 to January 14, people actually demand for this product in very huge demand. Then right here you see the graphic here, between the month of 7th to 13th of May, people also demand high on this particular product. So if you come to this point right here, between 5th of November to 11th of November 2023, people still demand for this particular product. About 96% people demand for this particular product. Now we want to check on these people that are looking for these items. Where are they coming from? All these people that are looking for this kids tablet, they were located in Lagos State, Nigeria. So now if you are importer or you are an e-commerce business personnel and you want to explore with this particular items keyword, so and you want to run advert maybe for Facebook advert or Instagram advert, it is advisable for you to target people in Lagos State, Nigeria. So let's take a look at another product so we can do compare and contrast. So right here we have to go back to the top right here and let's look for another product, which is solar panel. So you have to have a suggested product in mind that will help you to know if the product is very much high in demand in marketplace. So take a look at the result right here. So we are still in Nigerian section right here. So you can use this method to search for product in any part of the world, whether you are in Nigeria but you want to target your customer in United States, UK or Canada. You can use this method. What you need to do is to have the product keyword, enter it on the Google search and Google Trend search right here, then compare the result and pick on the right product for your business. Then go ahead and import the product from China using your 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or AliExpress. Then you start making huge amount of money from your sales. So this is just the basic key way people are making money from e-commerce business. So let's check the result about the solar panel and see how people actually demand for this product. Now right here you can see the graph right here. So when we compare the kiddies tablet with solar panel, well, we see that a lot of people are demand for this product right here in Nigeria. As at the time of making this video, look at the graph right here. So by the time we check full details about this particular product result, so let's check it out. So people that are looking for this solar panel here, there are a lot of people. So you can see the city has been increased from Lagos to about 22 region in Nigeria as at the times of making this video. This is to tell you that there are a lot of potential for this particular product. There are a lot of traffic. So if you want to import this type of items and you want to sell this type of item, so your targeted market in Nigerians, your targeted state in Nigerian market should be Lagos State, Borno, Kano, Kaduna, Ondo State. You can click on here to see more results of the state that are actually looking for this particular product, which is solar panel. So if I were you, I will easily go for solar panel, which is the hot selling product, because it has about 22 different states that are demanding for this product right now. So you can see Akwa Ibom, Delta State, Ogun State, Lagos State, Imo State. Then we can click on here to see more. Oyo State, Ondo State, Nasarawa, Cross River, Federal Capital of Territory. We can click here to see more. Anambra, Osun State, Abia, Enugu, Bauchi, etc., Ekiti, and Rivers State. So these are all your targeted marketplace that you need to take into consideration when you want to import the item into Nigeria. So let's take a look at another product line that we can use to source for hot selling products. So the very last one I would like to show you here in this video here is power bank. So let's check it out. So I'm going to add comparison right here. Then I will type power bank. So let's see how power bank are in demand in Nigerian market today. So right now, from the graphs right here, you can see power bank are more demanded in Nigerian marketplace even compared to solar panel. You can see, so solar panel here has about 30% in demand, while the power bank is 82% in demand. Then take a look at the third product we try to compare, which is tablet kit. So it has no stand anywhere. So if you want to import an item and you are trying to consider any of these three keywords, it is always advisable to go for these two keywords, which has to do with solar panel and power bank. Then let's take a look at some of the states that demand for this particular power bank, mostly in Nigeria. So right now we have about, how many states? We have 28 states in Nigeria demanding for power bank. So such as Lagos State, Ondo State, Abia State, Ekiti State, Kwara State. Then we can click here to see more. Ogun State, Anambra, Imo State, Ebonyi State, and Oyo State. Then we have Osun State, Enugu State, Cross River, Bayelsa and Delta, Kogi, Edo, Republic of Niger, Akwa Ibom, and Borno. Then we have Plateau, Nasarawa, Rivers State, Kaduna, and Kano. Lastly, we have Benue State, Federal Capital of Territory, and we have Bauchi. So if you want to run adverts, if immediately you bring the item into the country, you want to run an advert. So these are the right states you need to target in terms of right customer. So if you bring the item to Nigeria and you target this particular state, definitely you are going to make a lot of sales, such as if you eventually go for this type of product. Then one more thing you need to take into consideration for an item like this, take a look at under the solar panel right here. So we have to consider some brand name of the power bank, because so we come to the rising right here, we come to the top. So the more reason why you need to consider some brand name for the power bank is because of the fact that this is an item that people have specific love for a certain brand. It's not that you cannot import any type of brand into the country, but the most important one here is that go for what people actually need. Remember, you are not the consumer, you are just the marketer and importer. So like what I have right here, the number one brand name that people actually love their product or in power bank is Oraimo power bank. Then you can see the second is Oraimo, and the next one here is power bank price. These are what people want to know. Itel power bank and Itel. So these are the brand power bank you can go for, but that does not stop you from bringing in another brand that does not have name like some of this one. So this is what I want you to take note when you are trying to import some items that have brand name. But if you have the access to all this brand name, you can go for that, so you get more opportunity and you make more money when you are trying to import your when you are trying to sell your imported items. Another thing you need to take into consideration, take a look at this solar panel right here. Solar panel also have their different brands. So let's go back to Rising right here. So if I click on Rising, then we'll be able to select top. So the top one will give us the one people are actually demand for in Nigeria. Solar panel price in Nigeria, solar battery, inverter, and solar inverter. So we can click on here to see more. Solar panel installation, solar charger controller. How much is solar panel in Nigeria? So like this particular solar charge controller, this is a product line that you can consider hot selling products. So I want to believe that these three comparison can give you an headway and how you can actually go in a way of import and how you can actually market your item if eventually you bring the item down into Nigeria. So this particular method can be used to any part of the world, whether you are in Nigeria or you are outside Nigeria, whichever country you might be. You can use this method to search for hot selling item or any platform that you are using to sell your item. This is the right way to search for hot selling item. That is more reason why you need to understand Google Trend and how you can actually explore Google Trend. With these three keywords right here, one can see that the dead keyword right here is Kiddies tablet. So by the time we compare these three products together, we see that Kiddies tablet is a dead item. So when you are compare these three items together, so the hot selling from these three keywords is solar panel and power bank. So this is a good goal for you to bring it down to Nigerian. As at the times of making this video, you are going to make huge amount of profit, huge amount of sales as far as these two keywords is concerned. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips, for more importation business tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.